Yes, sir. You already know this. Your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. You know, we don't like to waste nobody's time. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up so it can reach more people. Today we'll be touching base on SOS Limited. That's ticker symbol SOS. We talk about this stock every single day on the channel, so we ain't gonna go too much in detail. We just be giving y'all a quick update, a rundown on some news for y'all, some good news, rundown on the support, the resistance, all that good stuff, real quick like. So let's go ahead and check it out, y'all. We closed the day at 481. We opened at 508. The high was 524. The low was 471. The 52-week high was 1588. The 52-week low was 91 cents. So I told y'all in the previous video that we had a nice support around the 510 range, like around 515, 513. But if we crack below that support, I said we could possibly go and test around 450. This thing could possibly pull back around 450. And the only reason this thing's against us, the whole market is pulling back as a whole, and plus Bitcoin, it ran up all the way to $63,000. But today was a day that it had this nice pullback. And even though SOS haven't even caught up to where it's supposed to be at, which is around $14 to $15 per share right now, if we're doing our math right, from the time Bitcoin was first at 58,000 and SOS was trading at $12, that means right about now when it's trading at 63,000, 61,000, SOS most definitely supposed to be $14 to $17 per share range, if not higher. So with that being said, you get what I'm saying? So even though Bitcoin ran up to 63,000, if it ran up, but it starts to pull back to 60K, that still would go and fit SOS, even though it ain't ran yet. You be like, hey, it ain't even run up the pullback none, because you get what I'm saying? It doesn't matter. Bitcoin pulling back, it's going to make those plays pull back. Just like Mara was at $45 not too long ago, $45 a share, ran all the way up to $65. I got in on that, ran all the way up to $65, and then now it's pulled back down today to around $50, $51. Yeah, that was a nice pullback for a Riot. And you see how it pulled back $15, $15 a share. But look at SOS. SOS haven't pulled back too much. It ran up to $6, $6.12 the other day. Now, I mean, not too long ago, the other week, when we had that nice little run up, I told y'all don't get it, so don't even crack a smirk until we get over that strong resistance around 817. Just experiencing the bad end of the deal with SOS right now. But I guarantee you, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But if we hold on long enough and be patient for this short squeeze, it is bound to happen. It is going to happen. And then on top of that, we got good news coming out on top of everything that's going on. After they done drug SOS down in the ground, now I'm starting to hear positive things in the air. Now check this out. Now before we check out that news though, let me tell y'all what this thing could fall down to for support. We already talked about that. It could fall down to around 450. And if it don't hold that 450, it could fall straight down to around 397, the high threes, which we shouldn't. Hopefully we don't see that price unless Bitcoin have a massive fall, because I told y'all Bitcoin is a roller coaster. That thing could drop 10, 15K in just a single day, and it could also go up 10, 15, 20K in a single day, because it done tripled. Like, this thing done ran up 3 times from its previous all-time high. So this thing is most definitely due for a pullback, but we need this thing to go ahead and be bullish, to go ahead and, get up out of our SOS position with a huge profit and huge gains. So let's go ahead and check out the resistance. We got a resistance right at around right here on the chart. We got a short-term resistance right around 505. We need to get above $5.05. 505, the low fives. We need to get above that range before we could break back up to our next resistance around $6.12, 611, right in that range. Once we blow through that, we can fly straight to our main resistance, our huge resistance around 817, and that'll send us straight to double digits, y'all. And now let's go ahead and check out this news. Let's run by that real quick. SOS Limited triple digit growth may drive stock to successive new highs. SOS is emerging growth stock with zero debt, profitable in 2019 and 2020 with approximately 400 million cash on the books. In-house R&D is innovating in high growth tech industries. Now let's look at this next one. SOS Limited can become a long-term crypto mining play. Chinese blockchain service company SOS Limited has been one of the best performing crypto mining stocks in the market. SOS stock is up a healthy 104% in the past 3 months on the back of elevated short interest in the security. However, the company is quickly moving away from its meme stock tag with investments in the crypto mining business. Considering its impressive management team and sizable cash flows, the company can make a big splash in the industry. So, yeah, I see that SOS, now they're trying to put out this positive energy around SOS. But like I said, this just homework. Don't let none of this make your financial decision. You executive, I'm an executive. So let's check this out, y'all. Rapidly expanding mining businesses. The primary reason investors are excited about SOS stock is its massive crypto mining firepower, which spells trouble for its competition. Russell, the company's vice chairman, has provided several updates about its mining business. He states that SOS currently has 10,000 crypto miners, of which 50% are already operations and delivering Bitcoin revenues. The other 50% is currently being installed and configured. It expects a significant bump in revenues when the other 50% of crypto miners are operational. The third batch of roughly 5,600 miners will be in the deployment soon, which will take the tally up to 15,600 miners. To put things in perspective, industry Riot Blockchain, ticker symbol RIOT, has roughly 11,500 miners operational, which points to a sizable advantage for SOS. So Riot only have 11,500 miners. SOS is about to tally up to be up to 15,600 miners, putting them with more miners than Riot. And Riot is trading at about $50 to $60 per share. It was just at 65, pulled all the way back to around 51, 52 today. So put that in perspective, y'all. SOS is trading at $4 right now. So think about that for a while. That's all. I'm gonna leave y'all with that to marinate on tonight. That thing might make me add to my position tomorrow if we got time. So that's all I got for y'all this video. You already know, if you like these type of videos, these type of updates, it's your boy B Hayes. We post every single day. Consider joining the family. If not, oh well. We love y'all though. God bless.